Hello bloggers! In today's WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you the absolute best free plugins you must have for your WordPress blog. And the first plugin I'm going to install is called Wordfence, and you can install this directly from your WP admin dashboard by simply going to add new here and then type in Wordfence just like that and click on install now. And what exactly is Wordfence? It is a security, firewall and malware protection plugin. So this gives you a nice layer of security for your WordPress website, and it is absolutely free. Once it's done installing, click activate now. And what I like about Wordfence is that it is easy to install and set up. Just type in your email here so you can get alerts from your Wordfence. Click continue, and it'll ask for a premium license key. You don't need that because you have the free version of Wordfence. So just click on no thanks. Okay, now that is activated, click on Wordfence. To get to the Wordfence dashboard, it'll give you a nice little walkthrough here. If you want to go through that, go ahead. Otherwise, click X here. And it will tell you at the top here, alert, that says you need to optimize your Wordfence firewall. Just go ahead and click here to configure, and you will need to download this .htaccess file as a backup, and then this Wordfence firewall will optimize automatically. Just click on continue here, and that's pretty much the basic setup of Wordfence. There's nothing else you need to do. It's already pre-configured for the most recommended settings. And if you want to keep Wordfence updated automatically, click here, yes, enable auto update. And the next best free plugin I like to have is called anti-spam, and it is easy to use. That's why I prefer it over the standard Akismet plugin from WordPress. There's no login needed or registration needed. You just install now and activate it, and it automatically works, preventing spammers from spamming your comments, and there's no CAPTCHA required. And that's pretty much it for that. So now that we have our WordPress secured and plugins to prevent spammers, the next plugin I recommend is the SEO plugin. Now there are quite a few choices here for SEO plugin. There is the all-in-one SEO pack and the Yoast SEO, and they both have millions of installations, good ratings. But for me personally, I like to use all-in-one SEO pack. I've been doing it for years. And you can also use Yoast SEO as well. They're both free. So let's click on install now and then activate. And with this plugin, you go to the all-in-one SEO menu right here, click on general settings, and once again it is easy to use. Just leave mostly everything as default. The only thing I would recommend changing is the home title and the home description. This is your homepage title and homepage description. And what I recommend is make sure to include your SEO keywords in your title and your SEO keywords in the description. And the description should not be too long. This plugin will tell you if your description is too long. It'll give you this red alert right here, the number of characters. And the same goes for the title. If it's too long, then it'll tell you that you should keep it kind of short, because if it's too long, the search engines will not display all of your words and it will be cut off, and it won't look good. I also recommend to remove the site title macros here, between the percent symbol. So just remove that. Otherwise, it will append this title to all of your post titles, and it may just make it very long. So that's pretty much the only settings I mostly recommend. Let's click on update options, and now we're done with all-in-one SEO. This one is called the Google XML sitemaps. Right here, this will again better improve your SEO rankings by helping the search engines better index your site, and it's free and it's automatic, and that's what I like about it as well. Plugins shouldn't be complicated to set up, and that's pretty much it. It does it by itself. Your Google sitemap is generated by itself automatically. And now let's do the next plugin, and this plugin is called the Super Cache. This will make your site faster by creating the static HTML files, and there are other caching plugins that I've used before, but they are a little bit more technical to set up, whereas Super Cache is just simply clicking a button to enable, and that's pretty much it. It takes care of itself automatically. And let's click on activate. Now head over to the settings and go to WP Super Cache and click here to turn it on. Update status, and that's pretty much it. You're done with all the setup for Super Cache. Nice and easy, nothing complicated. Now there are certainly more plugins that may or may not be necessary for your case, such as backup plugin and contact form plugin. I'll consider this optional. It depends on how simple you want to keep things with your WordPress site. But if you want to have a contact form, I recommend Contact Form 7. There are plenty of others you can try out, but I've been using Contact Form 7 for a long time, and it seems to be pretty easy to set up. So just click install now and activate, and in your menu here, the Contact Form 7 is actually right here. Let's click on that. And what I like about this as well is that it is already pre-set up, the contact form itself. All you have to do is copy this short code right here and then add it to your page. So let's go create a new page. So let's call this the Contact Us page. Please use the form below to contact us, and then you can simply paste in your short code here, and it'll automatically be labeled as a short code if you're using the Gutenberg editor. If you're using Classic Editor, it's the same thing. Just go ahead and paste. Let's click on publish and publish again. Let's view the page to see our new contact form right there. Okay, so there you have it. These are the 6 essential best free WordPress plugins I recommend for blogs, affiliate marketers, and just anybody using WordPress. So we have the SEO plugin to increase your search engine ranking. We have the anti-spam plugin to prevent spam. Optional Contact Form 7 to create the contact form. Google XML sitemaps to again help with your SEO. Wordfence security to protect your WordPress from hackers and malware. And WP Super Cache to increase your WordPress speed, which will increase your user experience and also may help with search engine rankings since they favor faster websites over slower ones. And there are certainly plenty more plugins, free plugins to further enhance your sites, add more features, but these 6 are the ones I absolutely must have on every one of my sites. Alrighty, thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress tutorials, tips and tricks, as well as SEO and internet marketing tutorials and training. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy blogging.